Hey friends, welcome back to Aney Storytime adventure. Today we are painting a little bird sitting quietly on a tree branch. Look closely. It's not just a bird, it's a tiny storyteller of the forest. As I add each stroke of color, imagine the gentle breeze rustling the leaves and the bird humming its favorite song. This moment teaches us something special. Even the smallest creature find their place in the world and so can we. See how the soft feathers take shape and how the strong branch supports the bird. Just like friends and family support us when we need it most. While we paint, remember sometimes beauty is not about loud songs or big moments. It's about quiet strength and simple joys. So pick up your colors, let your imagination fly, and create your own little piece of magic on the canvas.